Hey everyone, just a quick update. After this morning's urgent message, sure enough, AMC had a small squeeze this morning, or this evening, right on cue. I made two different trades. I made about 300% gains on one and 161% on the other. So I took profits. And I would advise all of you to do the same with these moves. While in the aftermarket, AMC is up another 6% as of right now. It's as of market close at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Uh, I want to caution everyone there's a lot of FOMO that's going in tomorrow morning. Okay, so I wasn't expecting it to continue in the after hours. I was expecting it to get driven down. But this is what I'm going to warn you. Remember, I 1000% believe that AMC is going to be driven down to the $3 and $250 level. I don't want you to be caught off guard when that happens. But I also want to let, again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But this is what I think, what I honestly believe is going to happen. Just based on history, this has happened with AMC multiple times. So if you weren't here for the prior squeezes, I'm giving you a little bit of history of what I lived through and made profit on some of these moves and some that I didn't. But if this all repeats, if history does repeat itself, uh, I just want to warn you, do not go crazy with call options if you're holding the stock when you see these ginormous moves to the upside. Please take profit, please. Okay, I don't want anyone out there to get burned, or as they call it, holding the bag. But so it looks like tomorrow morning this is going to continue. It looks like we'll see early morning in the pre-market, and I'll post again for pre-market. Uh, if it does, watch the price action very, very carefully. Okay, take profits. If you see the stock stagnate for a little too long, don't sit there and wait to see what's going to happen. Just take profit. I mean, you, you can always go back in if you haven't done too many day trades, right? But it's better to move to lose a little bit of price action to the upside than to lose it because it suddenly reverses. Okay, so just be careful. Again, my warning is to anyone who's thinking of shorting the stock. These moves, when AMC and GME and any of these other stocks that are in danger of a short squeeze, it can have all kinds of very wild, very fast moving swings. So please do not bet the house. For those of you who were not here for previous squeezes, I want to really stress, pardon, I want to really stress that you be careful because in the last times that these meme stocks, as they're called, squeezed, there were people who were betting shorts and ended up millions of dollars in debt. And there was a young kid that unfortunately um, unlived himself, and it was very, 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 very sad. I want to really stress to everyone out there, please do not bet the house. Don't bet on shorts when these things are happening. Don't don't short stocks that are moving this wildly. It's very, very, very dangerous. Okay, leave that to the larger firms that can afford to take such enormous losses. Um, Always take profits. Okay, always take profits. I still do believe AMC is going to be shoved, and I mean shoved all the way down to $3 to the $2.50 to $2.50 to $3 range. I still absolutely believe this is going to happen before the larger squeeze occurs. Okay, I'm not a magician. I cannot tell you what's going to happen day by day, but I can tell you off of my limited experience in the trading world that the setup right now on this stock is very dangerous for shorts. Okay, so tread carefully. I'm not a financial advisor. This is in no way financial advice. If you put money on the stock or any other security, you are assuming the sole risk of whatever happens, any losses. So just trade the swings, trade what you actually see happening. Don't trade what you wish will happen. Be realistic. Take profits. Um, and remember, market manipulation is a real thing. So be careful, have fun, take profits, and we will see you in the morning. I'll post what I think might happen based on what I see in the early morning and what I see on the short interest. But I do think that these wild swings are going to happen for this week. I don't know what's going to happen next week. I'm hoping that this swing to the downside will happen quickly, so that we can be over and done with the major squeeze, because this has been a long time coming, and I really honestly hope that all these people who have been holding this stock for such a long time, I understand a lot of people are desperate to make a dollar, to better their life a little bit, and I pray to God that you're able to do that for yourself. And if you've been holding because you bought high and it got shoved all the way down, I really pray to God that you get your money back. That's all I hope. Um, but I really want to urge you to take profit when you've made a decent amount of money. It's had a nice swing to the upside. Remember, it's going to go up. It's going to go down. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. Remember that. Take advantage of those ups and downs to sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low. Don't be greedy, because you will regret it every time. The stock market will humble you, so don't be greedy. Okay. Be safe. Have fun. Good luck. The best of luck to everyone who's trading these swings. And don't be greedy. All right. Thanks.